Right now, we are here at Pangasinan State University, Lingayen Campus.
And we are doing our Yamaha Safe Riding Science program promoting safety riding sa mga estudyante ng Pangasinan State University. As part of our CSR, of course, with our new model lineup na Mio Fazio, we are bringing the safety riding program first leg dito sa Pangasinan State University together with their students na binibigyan natin ng background ng basic of safety riding. And with this, we are collaborated with our partner dealers and we invited different colleges together with the help of their school director para mabigyan sila ng proper knowledge about safety riding, of course, lalong-lalo na yung mga beginner riders natin.
And of course, para ma-educate lahat, since most of them are first-time users ng motorcycle or wala pa talagang experience, so better to teach them the right way of motorcycle riding. So meron tayong free learn to ride sa mga students ng Lingayen Campus. Same time, we have a display booth for them to see the new lineup of Mio Fazio. And then, in the evening, so magkakaroon tayo ng concert sa 5,000 students ng buong Pangasinan State University.
And also, kasama natin dito yung mga brand ambassador natin na tinuruan din natin ng safety riding for them or for our students to be inspired na ang pagmumotor ay very fashionable at the same time, kailangan matutunan nila yung safety riding pa rin.
Ginagawa natin itong activity na to kasi sila yung kumbaga next generation ng mga motorcycle rider. So better to teach them the right way kaysa matuto sila on their own.
This is our first leg, and for those na nakaabang sa mga schools and universities, abangan niyo po kami. And we'll be planning to have this kind of activity sa mga schools nationwide para tayo ay magkaroon ng fashionable at magkaroon ng safety riding using our Mio Fazio.
So sa lahat po ng interested na mag-request, so free naman po ito. So just contact us. So meron po tayong Facebook page, Messenger. So pwede po nila kaming kontakin through that.